Okay, I'm going to try to do this. I haven't really used my camera for videos, but if you have a phone, iPhone, hit the Notes app, right? And then create a note, and then right here where the paperclip is, hit that, and then you want to go to Scan Document. I'll just open up to any old page here. This is how you get to scan a book and then actually get it to where you can print it. You got to lift the phone up till it centers that. It'll center it. You can see. You have to lift the phone up so you capture. There's like a outline, and it'll capture your image. You're scanning. And once you get it in the phone, see it's a perfect page. Then you can do whatever you want to do with it. You can go ahead and send it. You can print it. Add my printer here. If you have a Wi-Fi printer, just print it. Yeah, I got my printer set up right here, and it's that simple. You can also, send it to somebody. You can save it. You could open up. I don't use Pages on my phone. I'm sure it's here. Pages. I don't even know. Anyway, yeah, that's how you scan. That's my daughter. That's how you scan a pattern. All right. So you open the book up and say I want that one. Now I'm going to go up. I'm going to do it one more time. You hit scan a document. You don't want to take a photo, and then from here, well, it did it. It actually did it, but it did it again. You want to bring the phone up to where you capture the whole image. All right, so it's scanning it 100 times. This guy, that you get the idea, and then it's the power of the phone using the Notes app, and scanning a document. All right, just wanted to show that. I hope it helped. If you like my videos, give me that thumbs up or subscribe. Thanks for watching.